Today we will learn how to create transparent flame in Photoshop. Select your candle image. Extend the image. Follow the process. Download this flame image, link in description below. Follow the process. Cut the flame image by pressing Ctrl+X button. Create new layer. Fill white color on that layer. Click on mask icon. Pressing Alt and mask layer, only that layer selected, then paste that flame image on that layer. Deselect the image. Select your candle image. Follow the process by adjusting flame. This is the final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.